Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're joining the Papio Man as he cleans the papio that he caught. And he also caught a munu, but we'll do that one a little bit later. So, what he's doing to the papio is removing this cartilage piece that runs from the tail and up to part of the body, because you don't want that on the fish when you eat it. So, the papio is part of the jack or trevally family, and it's very popular eating fish in Hawaii. The Papio Man almost always catches a papio when he fishes. So he uses a plastic grub and does a medium to fast retrieve with a little bit of pole action when he's bringing it in. So what he's doing is removing the scales, and the scales on the papio are pretty tiny, so you need to be a little cautious when you are scaling it. So we're doing this on both sides, and then we are going to remove the innards. So to remove the innards, what we're going to do is we're going to slice the bottom from the stomach up to the head as best we can. And then we're going to open it up, and you'll see the gills there. And then we grab it and pull it out. And the rest of the innards should come out with it. Once that's out, we'll throw that back into the ocean to feed the sea creatures. And now the popio is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.